Welcome back. The state judokas are all set to take part in the upcoming senior nationals to be held in Orissa. The national tournament will be held in Bhubaneswar from 29 September to 3rd October.
The state judo team comprising 10 boys and 9 girls is practicing intensively under Sports Authority of Goa's senior judo coach R.V. Shintre at the SSG Indoor Stadium at Kampal. Speaking exclusively to Prudent Media, Coach Shintre expressed confidence that the team can win medals in Odisha.
We are taking the selection trials at Mopsa. After the selection trial, immediately second day, we started this pre-national coaching camp. We started from 14th of this September and it will be 26th of September. This camp, especially we concentrate on technique and tactics because my judokas physically they are very fit. Only we are concentrating this camp more on technique and tactics, and they are very good. The 2-3 already they are national medalists. I hope they will bring laurels for Goa.
The judokas are very happy with the coaching and are confident about their preparations for the upcoming tournament.
Our Shintre sir is showing us new techniques which we don't know. Sir shows now, and as 4-5 there are partners who can make gold medals to Goa.
Many things we have learned, many techniques. Actually, he's the best coach of Goa, I can see, as per my experience. So we got all the coaching over here. All the queries which we had to ask him. He knows all the information, so no problem like that.
In Kampal at the SSG Indoor Stadium with video journalist Shan, this is Noel D'Souza for Prudent Media.
Don Bosco High School from Panji and St. Teresa High School from Kandoli won the Boys and Girls Championship at the State Under-17 Football Tournament. The finals were played at Tilak Stadium at Vasco on Thursday. This tournament was organized by Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs.
North District toppers Don Bosco thrashed their South counterparts St. Joseph's Education Society High School from Chandor by 7-1 in the completely one-sided boys finals. Chukwama Chikudi had a great day on the field as he scored a double hat-trick. Vincent Pereira completed the tally for Don Bosco. Melvin Maura was the sole goal scorer for St. Joseph's.
We are happy we won the state finals and we hope to win more trophies.
Did your coach give you a target?
Yeah, he did.
What was the target for you?
He said to win the state finals and there's something special for us.
North District champions St. Teresa trounced South District toppers Manavikas High School from Margao by 3-0 in the girls' final match. Shilpa scored 2 goals for St. Teresa while Preeti Shinde scored 1 goal.
आम्ही भुरग्यां खातीर खूबच मेहनत घेतलेली आसा. आम्ही इवन हॉलिडेनी सुद्धा प्रॅक्टिसी चालू आसताल्यो आमच्यो गणेश हॉलिडेज आनी गेमीचो चडूच प्रेशर येयलो जाल्यार आमकां ज्यो पब्लीक हॉलिडे आसताले संडे वा आनी कितें आसल्यो ते हॉलिडेक आमी प्रॅक्टीस करताले आनी सगळे भुरगे येताले. सगळे भुरग्यांचें कॉपरेशन आसलें, पेरंट्साचें कॉपरेशन आसलें आनी जे कितें आमी गेम स्ट्रॅटजी जी आमी मांडलेली आसली पयलीं अकॉर्डिंग टू दॅट प्लॅन आमची भुरगीं खेळ्ळी आसा आनी आमकां खूब खोशी जाल्ली आसा.
Assistant ADEI of Marmagoa, Smita Riker, was the chief guest and gave away the prizes to the winners and runners-up in the boys and girls category.
माझे प्लॅनिंग अशें आसलें की तुमी ग्राउंडार वचपाचें आनी सादे भाशेन बरी गेम खेळून एन्जॉय जावन भायर येवपाचें. म्हणजे जाता तितलें बरें फुटबॉल खेळून उमेदीन सारकें लायट रावन स्विफ्ट रावन सारकें खेळत रावपाचें, धांवत रावपाचें, गोल स्कोर करून जिखून येवपाचें.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Matkaikar.
Musli Power Churchill Brothers Sports Club celebrated their success in the IFA Shield and Durand Cup in a simple manner after the team's arrival from Delhi. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath graced the function on Wednesday evening at Warka.
Churchill Brothers won the IFA Shield in Kolkata on September 12th and then clinched the Durand Cup in New Delhi on Tuesday to give the Goans double joy. Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar, President of Goa Pradesh Congress Committee and Goa Olympic Association Subhash Shirokar, Kotori MLA Reginald Lorenzo, PWD Minister and patron of Churchill Brothers, Churchill Alamo, joined the victorious Churchill team in the celebration. In the absence of Churchill Brothers coach Carlos Roberto Pereira, who is yet to arrive in the state, fitness coach Leonardo revealed that the team can still improve.
We are just in the beginning. There are many points to improve, technical, tactical, and physical. That is going to be corrected by the time, and everything is under control. Everything is under our management. It's according to our plans. Everything gonna be alright. Have a very good confidence in this group.
Our reporter from Varka, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Let's have a look at the headlines once again. After Pickle controversy, Manohar Parrikar says he would like to stay in local politics, says his thoughts are straight and clear. Mickey gets conditional bail, court tells Mickey to report crime branch for 2 days. Ruling Panchayat members of Race Magos join NCP, blame local MLA Agnel Fernandez and GPCC president for their quitting. Goa's senior judo team all set to participate in national tournament in Orissa. And Don Bosco and St. Teresa High School win under-17 boys and girls football title. Chikudi chimes with 6 goals. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.